Hello everybody, this time I'm at school starting to do something a bit more scary, I can say. And today I want to talk about the thing like to learn who you are, because I think a lot of people don't know why or what they want to do after their study or something like that, because they didn't taste enough things. They don't do enough. That's the point, I think. Why I'm able to know pretty much what I want to do. Maybe it will change in the future, but for now I know it's because I've done things. Every time I have something that was like that seems to that I liked, I just went for it. Ask no questions. And that's really, I think, why I'm able to like pretty much know what I want to do later in a few years, and why I'm able to put in all this work to really to get to the point where I'm able to do what I love, because taken the time I took the time to learn who I am and what I love. But I have I still have a long way to go. Also, I think over time you really learn who you are. And at the beginning, I'm sure all of you, and me, including myself, I didn't really knew who I was. If you can go to my first videos, you see that I was not so different that who I am today, but not the same person. I was more about earning money and stuff like that. Now I'm more about really doing what I love, and if this thing can bring me a lot of revenues, that's great, but that's not my priority. I really want to build something. For me, I want to build something big that will impact a lot of lives. That's really what I want to do, because I don't know, this is my mission, my life, my life mission. I don't know, this is the thing that excites me, that permits me to do all this work, as simple as that. Also, don't be scared of doing the things that you love, even if some people may think you are a strange person. You're just someone who wants to do what they like. Like, I'm sure some people are watching me on YouTube, and some people that even know me a lot, and they're judging me, but like, I don't want to live my life based on what other people think about me. And I think that's really something that is blocking a lot of people to do what they really love. So it doesn't have to be really quick, but I think if you really want to do something great in your life, you have to change that. Like, for now, I'm starting to vlogging and do videos every day, and because I'm a student, I need to do some of the clips in my school, so I won't be judged. But like, I don't care. I just need to take the habits of doing it. Yesterday I haven't done any video at school. Right now you can feel that my voice is a bit like I'm more stressed. I have more stress right now, but that's fine. That's better. I thought it was gonna be worse than that. So like, yes, don't care about what other things, and take your time. You have time to take the habits and to really learn who you are and what you want to do. Yeah, I'm finally back to home, and I've just get something. So there it is, the new beast, Canon 80D. I'm not like the guy who wants to have gadgets and all the stuff like that. But it was, I wanted this thing for a long time, and just the, how to say that, the feeling of having it in your hand is like awesome. It's also, I think it helps you to prove that by working you can have certain results that you want, certain things that you want. Moreover, this thing will be practical for me because I will be able to use it like every day. And that's really the point, to try to give you the most quality I can with the more volume I can too.